Good morning, children. Teacher Banu here. Today we are going to learn phonics sound for letter W. 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 Letter W. These are the picture for letter W. W were wall. W were web. W were wings. W were watermelon. W were watch. W were wet. W were. Children, what is this? What picture is this? Yes, this we call wall. This we call wall. W wall. W wall. Children, what picture is this? Yes, this we call spider web. You see the spider there? Spider web. How to spell spider web? W web. W web. W web. Children, you see the children are playing with the water, and then the second picture they are shower with the milk. So W wet. W wet. W wet. Okay, what picture is this? Yes, this we call wings. The bird fly using the wings. Okay, W wing. W wing. W wing. What is this, children? We wear in our hand. Yes, this we call watch. Watch. W watch. W watch. W watch. What it is? This we call watermelon. You see here, Mummy cutting the watermelon. How to spell the watermelon, children? W watermelon. W watermelon. W watermelon. Children, you see, this is a green color worm. Green color worm. W worm. W worm. W worm. Okay, that's all for today, children. Thank you. Bye.